In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete subscriptions in Amazon app. Even though Amazon calls it canceling rather than deleting, the result is the same. The subscription stops renewing and charging you. First, open the Amazon Shopping app on your phone. You will be on the main Amazon home screen with the search bar at the top and product suggestions below, which confirms you launched the right app. Now, sign in to your Amazon account. Enter the email and password you normally use for Amazon, then confirm. Once you are signed in, you will see your name or a greeting near the top of the app, and the shopping tabs and icons will be active. Next up, tap the profile icon, the little person symbol near the bottom menu of the app. When you tap it, the view changes from the shopping feed to your personal area, showing things like your orders, your account, and often your lists. From there, tap your account. This opens a longer menu-style page that controls everything tied to your Amazon identity, including addresses, payment options, and security settings. If you ever think you tapped the wrong thing, checking that your account title at the top helps you confirm you are in the right place. At this point, tap Memberships and Subscriptions. This section pulls together all the recurring services Amazon bills you for, so you do not have to hunt through orders. You should now see a list of memberships like Amazon Prime, Kindle Unlimited, or Amazon Music Unlimited if you have them. If nothing shows up, it simply means there are no active memberships on this account. Now, select the subscription you want to cancel. Tap directly on the name, for example, Amazon Prime, or another digital service you recognize. When you open it, you will usually see details such as the next billing date, the renewal price, and the payment method used. A quick tip here: checking the next charge date before canceling helps you know whether you still have some paid time left after canceling. With the subscription details open, tap Manage Subscription or Cancel Subscription depending on which button appears. These options lead to the same place, the controls for turning off automatic renewal. You might see extra links like Change Plan or Change Payment Method, but for stopping charges, you only need the Manage or Cancel options. After that, follow the on-screen prompts and confirm the cancellation. Amazon may ask why you are canceling or offer to remind you later, so read each button carefully before you tap. Once you confirm, look for a short message or banner saying your membership will not renew, plus an updated end date for your access. You usually keep using the service until that date, even though future billing is switched off. You have now canceled an Amazon subscription in the shopping app, so it will not renew or bill you again. If this helped you stop an unwanted charge, a quick thumbs up really helps others find it, and feel free to subscribe for more simple Amazon tips.